Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus aluminum heat sinks. We'll explore their key differences, helping you understand which material is best suited for your cooling needs. We'll look at how well each conducts heat, their respective weights, and the cost factors involved. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which heatsink material offers superior performance for various applications, ensuring your components stay cool and efficient. Copper is renowned for its exceptional thermal conductivity, typically around 400 watts per meter Kelvin. This superior ability to transfer heat makes it ideal for high-performance applications where space is limited. However, copper is also significantly denser, weighing about 3 times more than aluminum. This increased density contributes to a heavier heatsink and generally higher manufacturing costs, making it a premium choice for critical cooling tasks. Aluminum offers a great balance of performance and cost-effectiveness. Its thermal conductivity is around 237 watts per meter Kelvin, which is still very good for many applications. A major advantage is its light weight, being about 1/3 the density of copper. This makes aluminum heatsinks much more affordable to manufacture, especially for larger designs. They are a popular choice for general-purpose cooling, where extreme thermal demands are not present. So, which is better? For maximum heat dissipation in a small footprint, copper is the clear winner, offering superior thermal conductivity. However, if cost and weight are primary concerns, aluminum provides an excellent, efficient, and affordable solution. Many advanced cooling systems even combine both materials, using a copper base for direct heat transfer and aluminum fins for efficient heat dissipation into the air. Your best choice depends on your specific needs and budget.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.